When you're fronting the media in any situation, preparation is key. If, for example, you're updating the media about a crisis, you must be up to speed with the situation. Let's take this example. A young boy has fallen from an escalator in a department store. You are the department store spokesperson and you're about to front the media. Here are the questions that you could be asked. So how did it happen? Has it ever happened before? Did anyone see it happen? Now those questions were straightforward, but you still need to have the answers prepared in your head. However, the questions can become far more pointed. Are you confident that the escalators are completely safe? Do you believe the handrails are high enough? Could it be that the customer wanted to kill himself? Do you believe that the customer had an issue with the store? How quickly did the medical teams arrive? Again, you need to be ready for the questions and make sure that you have the appropriate answers prepared.